welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna be taking my mom on a ride along in my Boosted Z. She has not been in my car since I boosted it. Matter of fact, she has not been in my car when it was tuned. The last time she was in my car was probably 2-3 years ago. I only had literally a tome and test pipes. That's it, no tune, nothing. And I'll put that clip right here. That was her reaction when I was literally just exhaust. So now that it's boosted, tuned, man, honestly, like, I don't know what to expect. So without further ado, let's get it. Give you guys a young cold start.
Please,
you ready?
Yes, don't go fast.
Bro. I'm probably just gonna do like 4 pulls and that's it. We'll see though.
No, wait, no, wait. Cálmate,
I didn't even hook.
No,
I didn't even hook. I was just warming up the tires. Good angle. Gotta get a video. Man, it sucks because I'm not even at 15 pounds. I'm only at 12, so we're pushing like 400 horsepower. But once I fix my leaks again, I'm gonna bring her again. It's not even that fast.
Llévame a la casa ya, güey.
It's not even that fast, dude.
Llévame a la casa, güey.
Alright, I'll take you back right now.
Te pasas.
I couldn't even hook.
I told you, please don't go fast.
It's not even fast though. Come across someone right now so we can race them. I would do a 20 roll, but I have such bad wheel hop, so I don't want to break no axles. Right here, there's a straight road, but I don't know if he's gonna go straight or not. The car in front of me. Oh, no, he's not. Perfect. Right here's where I do all my pulls. Nah, there's no cops. If there is, well, fuck it. Over here.
¿Para qué me haces que me suba si me vas a hacer esto?
Well, that was the whole point, just to get your reaction. It's not even
Fuck,
that
man,
fast.
no, take me
It's
back
not
home.
so far. Yeah, well, we're gonna go home.
Fuck, man, Chris, I can't believe it, man.
I gotta get my dad to drive it now.
Chris,
I'm not even going fast. Your heart.
no. Sí, corazón, güey.
Oh damn, this sun's too bright. I'm still gonna bring you along one time I had 15 pounds again, bro. This is nothing compared to what the car felt like after the dyno. Ooh, oh, it's SRT4. Need that? Oh shit. Red match. I'm gonna brake boost on this next one. Back to that same street.
No, not again, Chris.
I see you. Where's Sambo at? Where's Sambo? My homie with the
No, ya
Evo.
no.
Where you at? Where
No
you
más,
at?
Chris, no más.
Oh no.
No, ya no.
My friend told me that he saw me, that's why. Who?
Tentolina, pero no, ahorita.
Man, homie, I need some brakes.
No, es que no.
Watch out.
No paras, güey, no paras.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna
Chris.
brake boost on this one. It's gonna feel a lot powerful.
No, güey, ya no le hagas. Ya no, Chris. Ya, Chris, ya, chingada madre, ya.
Man, that fucking truck was moving so slow.
No mames, güey, no. Ya ve la casa ya.
Alright, one last one.
María, no te puedo contestar ahorita porque sabe que se me sale el corazón, güey. Este cabrón me trajo la tienda y me ando muriendo del puto susto. Ya no, que me sale el puto corazón, güey. Se le puso el pinche carro, me trajo a la tienda y me ando muriendo de coraje. Ahorita te marco, ¿sí? No puedo ni hablar, güey. Ahorita te marco. Ya, Chris, ya, por favor, ya.
Okay, there. We're just gonna go home.
Ya, mijo, ya.
We're just gonna go home and
No
that's it.
mames, güey, ya no me voy a subir contigo, no más, nunca más, güey, ya.
Well, look, there's a clean, what is that, a BRZ? Oh, he needs that? He needs that?
Ya no le des fuerte. Ya no le des
One last
fuerte.
time.
Ya no, güey, ya no. Ya, llévame a la pinche casa, ya.
Okay.
Chingada madre.
Okay, there. That's
No
it.
mames, Chris, te estoy diciendo, llévame a la casa, ya.
Alright, there.
Fuck, man.
That's it. Because then I'm gonna be grounded.
Lo hice a tu papá, güey, vas a ver.
My dad's actually gonna drive it. My dad thought my car was fast the last time. So now, imagine now. And it's literally at low, it's at 12 pounds, so. I'm gonna give you another ride along once it's at 15 again.
Llévame a la casa, ya.
Yeah, no, we're going to the house.
Por favor, no andes haciendo esto, ya. Ya, no, hijo, me cae de madre que mi corazón está palpitando bien gacho, güey.
Oh my god, bro. I think this is a funny reaction at my dad's. Oh, there's a clean G right there. Oh, I forgot to put the bolt on my bumper.
Ya,
Here, running
no
like
le des
this.
fuerte, Chris.
No, I'm not.
Ya.
No.
Take me home.
Huh? Right there. Okay, there,
¿Qué me entiendes, güey? Chingada madre,
we're already right here. We're already right here. Look at
Fuck,
that
man.
faggot.
Mira, este pendejo. No, Chris.
I know, that was a fucking dumbass
Fuck,
running the
man.
stop sign. You're an idiot.
No me vuelvas a subir a tu pinche puto carro, güey.
Alright, we home, boys.
Oh, fuck, man.
Mission successful. Bro, I told my friend if he had bolted this on good. That fool said he did, and look. Brandon, if you're watching this, bro, what disappointment. I literally asked him, I was like, is it tight? Look, bro. There it is, guys. Finally got my mom's reaction to my Z. Oh my god, bro. Like, I was trying to hold in my laugh so much. I did, actually, but I was literally trying to die of laughter. But finally, she's all mad. Probably gonna give me a whole life lecture after I go inside, telling me how this is wrong. But YOLO, got it for the video. Anyways, thank you guys for watching another video. Honestly, this is probably like the funniest video I've uploaded yet. I think it beats my dad's video, to be honest. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. I'm definitely gonna give her another ride along once I turn up the boost again, once I fix my leaks, because I got some cheap ass gaskets. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.